Doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the best way to make a portfolio website. The platform that I recommend you use is none other than Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder when it comes on to creating a portfolio is because you can get started for completely free, and it is also beginner friendly and easy to use, and it offers numerous features that are easily accessible. Plus, there are numerous Wix tutorials, so you have a lot of information that you can quickly access on the internet if you would like to edit your portfolio in any special way. Now to get started, you're going to go onto wix.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site, and you will be redirected to a page just like this. Once on this page, you have two options. If you were to tap on Start Chat, you will be able to create your portfolio website using the Wix AI, but I would recommend that you tap on Set Up Without Chat. After doing that, you can type in portfolio, or you can select portfolio from the example. Then you can select what type of portfolio you would like to create. As you can see, there are numerous sub-niches, whether it is a design portfolio, a PR portfolio, a writing portfolio, or so on. Let's say we are creating a writing portfolio. Then tap on Continue. After you have tapped on Continue, you will be redirected to your Wix dashboard. Once on your Wix dashboard, you can enter your site name, then tap on Continue. Then from here, you can select your website goals. Is it a case that you would like to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, or so on? You can select whichever one of these options. So for example, I'm going to tap on Promote Myself, Display Creative Work, and also Build a Community and Share Knowledge. Then we'll tap on Continue. Then from here, you can see the different apps that you will have access to. So naturally, the portfolio app is going to be automatically added. If we wanted to sell online, we would select online store. If it is a case that you were planning to do events or RSVP, you could do that. We're going to select blog. Then we're going to scroll down, and from here you can see different features that you can add. Then tap on continue, then tap on continue to dashboard. Once on your dashboard once more, I'll be showing you what to do next. Now to set up your portfolio, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and tap on portfolio. From here, you will be able to create your first portfolio. So you can choose your portfolio type. Remember, I had selected writing, so I'm provided with either articles, poems, short stories, essays, creative nonfiction, or other. I'm going to leave it at articles, then tap on next. Then from here, you can choose to upload from your computer by tapping right there. After you have done that, you could search for the article that you'd like to add, or the image. So let me just add a random image for example's sake. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, as you can see, it is being added. You could tap on generate projects and you could use their AI feature right here. So if I were to tap on that, you can see analyzing your image, and you can see a quick description has now appeared. A collection of images showcasing the features and benefits of, you can see right there. And you could tap on create portfolio, and you can see I've created my first portfolio. You can continue creating portfolio if you want. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and tap on blog. And from here, if you would like to write a blog article, you can do that by tapping on create new post in the top right hand corner. Once you're finished doing that, I want you to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can see numerous themes that you can choose from. And I'm going to be selecting this one, so I'm going to tap on edit. After tapping on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being prepared in the background. Once your website is up and running, I would normally tap right where you see the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and I would normally increase it to 100%. So let me do that real quick once this loads up. So you can see right there, it is loading up. So we'll close the pop-up, tap on the plus 50% and change it to 100%. Then you can see how your website looks at the moment. This is our website right now. To start editing it, you could hover over the section you would like to edit and tap on quick edit. After you have done that, you'll be able to change the paragraph text right there. So I could change the paragraph text to whatever I want. It is as easy as that when it comes on to editing on WIX. You can change the title right here. If you would like to change the background, you can do that. And if it is a case that you would like to add an image, you could do that. To add an image, you'll tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there, we could select image. After you have tapped on upload and import, you can tap on upload images. Then from there, you could tap on upload from computer and you could search for an image. Let's say for example, this image right here. After you have selected your image, you can see it is being uploaded right here. Once it has been uploaded, all you will need to do now, you can simply select the image. For example, if I were to select this one, then tap on add to page. And you can see the image has been added right there. And it is as easy as that to add any element you want to your website. By tapping on the plus from the top left hand corner, if you wanted to add a video, if you wanted to add music, anything at all you would like to add to your website, you can find it in this section. All you have to do is drag and place it. So for example, if I wanted to add video, I could hover over video and music. Then from there, you can see the different players. I could tap on video box, or I could scroll down and you can see the different video players right there. And all you need to do is drag and place it where you want. And you can see right here, the Spotify player is being added right there. And if you would like to add a different page or section, you can simply scroll down and tap on add section. Then you can see the different sections that you can quickly add. So for example, if I wanted to add the contact section, I could tap on contact. Then I can select this right here and I can simply drag and place it. And now you can see a contact section has been added. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you can view the pages by selecting the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. And you can see all the pages that are currently on your website. Once everything is up to your running and you have edited the pages to your liking, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.